unboxing for HP Pavilion X360. Let's check what's inside the box. This is user menu. So what else in the box? Let's check. Charging adapter. Power supply. So we'll move this aside. The power adapter is very small, as you can see. This is the shape of the laptop. So towards the right, it has a charging port, HDMI, USB Type A, Type C and SD card. Towards the left, it has a ventilation for dissipating the heat, and it has a headphone jack and a USB Type A port. So let's turn on the device and see how it boots. So the laptop is started now. So let's check the specification of the laptop. The variant which we have right now, it has Core i3 10th generation, 4GB RAM and 256GB SSD. So keep in mind the SSD is much reliable than HDD and it is more than enough for lots of people. Okay, let's talk about the design of the laptop. The design of the laptop is very modern it has all the features you can ask in modern laptop. It has a large touchpad with multiple touch support. It has a fingerprint and very good set of speakers. So the laptop is very slim in form factor. As you can see, when I close this laptop, it's not that much bulky. It's a very modern design. And the good thing about this laptop, it can be used as a tablet also, thanks to this 360 hinges. So let's open this one. Let me show you how it can be converted in as a tablet. So because of these hinges, this laptop is now fully converted into a tablet mode. So if you want, you can use this laptop in portrait mode. Also you can make it in landscape mode. It has a sensor which automatically flips the screen. So the screen panel, it is 1080p LED panel. Okay, the peak brightness is not that high. It is okay for indoor use, but in outdoor and sunny area, it will not give you the results you want. So guys, we'll end our video here. This was our unboxing and initial impression about this HP Pavilion X360. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. We'll meet again in next video. Thanks for watching.